Trouble tickets allow you to track and monitor problems that may occur throughout your company. Select Trouble Ticket Types to add or view your ticket category types. Click on a category name or click Edit to edit an existing type, or click Add to add a new type. Enter an appropriate name for the category type and click Save. Now that we have created a trouble ticket type, we need to set up the categories. Click Trouble Ticket Categories to display all existing categories. Click the category name or Edit to edit an existing category, or Add Category to create a new one. Enter an appropriate name for this category, for example, Product Defect Reports. And select an appropriate manager from the drop-down list. This is the individual that will be assigned to dealing with the trouble report. Click Save and Close to create your new category. Site localization allows you to control international settings. Which countries will you allow to visit your site or submit applications? Define which countries you will manage and how you will handle them. Currency exchange rates. Setting up the display of your site content for various languages and which languages you will allow visitors to view your site in. You may also set up the format for applicants' tax IDs. In Canada, a SIN is used with a 9-character alphanumeric format, but in America an 11-digit format is used. If you are needing to make a culture-related change to your system, site localization is the first place to visit. You may wish to restrict the country of origin a visitor may view your site from. You may also wish to prevent applications being submitted from certain countries. Countries applicability allows you to define these restrictions. Placing a check mark on the box ER, Exclude Registration, beside a country will prevent an application from being submitted from that country. Place a check mark in the EA, Exclude Access, to prevent the site from being displayed to browsers originating in the selected country. MarketPowerPRO, being a truly international application, allows you to define which currencies you wish to have it handle. Select Currencies Management and choose the appropriate currencies from the left pane and click Add to move them to the right pane. These currencies will now be available for use within your MarketPowerPRO system. The Exchange Rates page allows you to define the current currency exchange rate for the various currencies you have allowed to be used within your system. While the rates are automatically updated, you may adjust them manually by clicking on the currency code and entering a new value. Localization Management is a very powerful tool that allows you to adjust the display of words and phrases within your site. You may add or edit company-specific terms and set specific translations for each of the languages you have enabled within the system. This topic is covered in much greater detail in the Site Design Tools presentation, but in summary, when you click Localization Management, the various language resource files will be displayed. Click the language you wish to adjust to display the available language resources, then click the specific resource file to display a detailed list of the resources within the category or a sublist of resources. When the appropriate resource file opens, you will see a listing of all words and phrases used within your MarketPowerPRO system that are pertinent to this resource file. Edit the displayed text to your requirements and click Save. MarketPowerPRO will now be updated to display the text you have entered in the location specified when a visitor views the pages in the selected language. MarketPowerPRO comes preloaded with a choice of languages. Which languages you wish to allow your visitors to use is entirely up to you. On the Cultures page are listed the currently available languages. When you click Show to enable a language, it will be added to the drop-down list that a visitor may select their choice of language from. You may subsequently remove a language by clicking Hide. Each country uses a different format for identifying their taxpayers. America uses a 9-digit numeric SSN. Canada uses a 9-digit SIN. The United Kingdom uses a 9-digit NI number, and so on. Define and format the taxpayer ID information for your members under the Enrollment Tax IDs section. When selected, you will see a list of current tax IDs listed by country. Click Add Enrollment Tax ID to add a new country's code. Select the correct country from the drop-down list and check the checkboxes against personal and business for the tax ID information you wish to gather as part of the enrolment process. Enter the length of the ID code. Define whether the entry must be alphabetical only, numeric only, or a combination of letters and numbers. And click Save to add the new taxpayer code to your system. While making adjustments to your site's content, you will occasionally delete files or content pages. These deleted files will be removed from the page, but may be recovered if you removed them by mistake. The recycle bin in the website area contains all deleted content and details the date and time the piece of content was deleted, as well as the name of the individual that deleted it. You may recover the content by clicking Restore, view details related to the deleted content, or permanently remove the content from your system by clicking Remove. A removed piece of content is permanently removed and will not be recoverable under any circumstances. The Files Library is the repository for all items of content that you may need to upload to your system. Images, sound files, downloadable PDF application forms and other documents, Flash presentation files, and so on. When you select the Files Library, a list of folders is displayed. You may add additional folders by clicking Create Folder, giving it an appropriate name and selecting a parent folder from the drop-down list if you would like to place the new folder under an existing one. From the Upload permissions, select any content types that you intend to add to this folder and click Add to move them to the right-hand pane. Set permissions. Note, there have been occasions where a MarketPowerPRO user has reported a problem where a piece of content displays when logged into the system but does not show for a casual browser, i.e. a visitor who has not logged in. This is caused by failing to set permissions correctly. If you would like to make the files uploaded to this folder available for general viewing, don't forget to set read-only permissions to Anonymous User. To upload a file to your system, click Upload and select the destination folder from the drop-down list. Then click Browse to locate the file on your computer that you would like uploaded. Optionally, you may add meta keywords that will assist you in future if you want to use the search tools within MarketPowerPRO to locate a file in a larger list. If you would like to allow other members to access the file, for example this may be your company logo, and would like everyone to be able to use it when creating personalized stationery or pages, check the Public Available checkbox. And lastly, if you are updating a file that you have previously uploaded, check the Overwrite checkbox to allow MarketPowerPRO to overwrite the existing file.